Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I think with the weather changing, there's nothing I think we love more than sort of cooking and grilling outside. So I'm gonna do a little sort of two-part. I'm gonna do some jerk chicken on the grill, but I gotta marinate my jerk chicken to go with the pasta. So I'm out on my deck to grab some fresh herbs. Let's get that, and then let's go make this amazing jerk marinade that you're gonna be loving. So I've got some parsley I wanna grab. Then I've also got some fresh thyme. Can't have a jerk marinade without lovely fresh thyme. I've got some thyme, I've got some parsley. Let's make a marinade. All right, so let's make a jerk marinade. I've rinsed off my herbs. I'm gonna throw in my fresh parsley. This is fresh thyme, so I'm gonna pull off the leaves. West Indians love their thyme. I've got a couple of ends of a scallion that's seen better days, right? So it's perfect for this preparation. I've also got some ginger. Get the fresh stuff, none of that stuff in a jar. Gotta use a little fresh garlic, right? Just a couple. I've also got this other red onion, right? Just kind of hanging out, all right? Gotta throw in some heat. And this is one habanero. Be a little spicy. We can deal with it, right? Fresh squeezed orange juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. Then I'm gonna pop in some cilantro. You know what? The whole thing. A couple of allspice berries. We need some salt, a little soy. And you gotta balance out the heat, and we're gonna do that by way of some dark brown sugar. I need to put some oil in this, and then we'll give this a blend, and then we'll put this on our chicken. All right, so our jerk marinade is all marinated up. Let's take this lovely, delicious smelling, spicy marinade, and we'll throw this right into our chicken. We will let this sit out about 45 minutes. Let's go get the grill hot so that we can grill this chicken right on our grill. All right, my grill is nice and hot. It's preheated. Let's go. All right, let's give it a flip, see what we got. Oh, look at that. All right, chicken's been cooking. Ooh, look at that. Would you take a look at this? Look at that, beautiful. So while we've got our pasta water boiling, I wanna get another skillet nice and warm. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan. I've got some peppers, some onions, and some garlic. That's gonna go right into this skillet. With a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll give that a little toss. And remember, when it comes to pasta, I've got two golden rules. You always want to oversalt the water and undercook the pasta. While this is cooking down, let's go ahead and season this. So all we did was salt and pepper, but I'm gonna add a few more spices. That way they can start to toast up in here and be really nice. So a little bit of chicken bouillon, got a little bit of smoked paprika, garlic powder, all right, and let's do a little bit of dried fennel, because you know I like that. Just to make it extra rich, I'm gonna add in a half stick of butter, just so it tastes really good. And then we'll give that a stir. All right, so our vegetables are just like softened up. We've got that lovely thing happening on the bottom of the pan where the spices are starting to toast up real nice. So let's finish up with the sauce. So let's deglaze white Hennessy, why not? And let's give it a light. There we go, it's gorgeous. All right, this is beautiful. Like, this is exactly what you wanna see. And then to finish up our sauce, I've got some heavy cream. We're gonna add that right in here. We'll cut the heat down on this and let this reduce. In the meantime, our water is boiling for our pasta, so let's get our pasta right in there. All right, so I've got the chicken that it's had a chance to rest. This is the chicken that we put out on the grill, and then we'll give it just a slice. Perfect. The sauce is cooking up nicely. I got a little cornstarch slurry, not much. Perfect. See? Just a little bit. Let's take this pasta that's now been cooked. I'm using a fettuccine. And we'll drop that right into, oh yeah, right into our sauce, just like this. Remember that chicken? We drop it in. We give it a little bit of a stir to get nice and coated. So I've got my pasta. I just want to do a few things to really make it taste like really, really, really good. Like, it already tastes good, but we're gonna make it taste even better. Like, dress it up, give it some perfume, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do a little bit of Parmesan cheese, fresh grated. All right, and then I've got a couple of just thinly sliced scallions that I'm gonna put right on top. And then for a little bit of color, I got a little bit of Creole seasoning. All right, let me just go in and grab a little bit of this. I mean, it smells divine. I'm having a hallelujah moment. Don't make no sense for this to be this good. Come on, and a little saltiness from the Cajun seasoning and the Parmesan cheese makes this a winner all around. You got to give it a try. Recipes like this, you know where they're going to be on the website. It's dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food, y'all. Until next time, I got to wish you a happy cooking, okay? From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.